Hey, what's going on, guys? Thanks for joining me again. I don't really have a plan for today's video other than, hi Scout, other than I need to there's a blade over in the woods for the back of the tractor. I kind of want to get that put on and at least moved over to where we have all the other implements, like the brush hog and stuff like that. So I'm going to grab the tractor out and we'll run over there, put it on, and get it moved over. I've gone ahead and gotten the tractor out of the barn already. I took it for a ride. It hadn't been started all winter, but it's a Ford 640. I think it's a 1957. My great grandpa bought it probably, I don't know, 7-8 years ago now. And we have a few other tractors here, but this is the only one that runs. The other ones just one of them needs a complete overhaul. The other two just need little things like a radiator and a new battery. This one's been converted to 12 volts. It's two-wheel drive, and it runs decently. It's not top of the line, but I've got a blade in the back of the property back here that's been sitting there for a number of years, and I'm gonna get it on the tractor and take it over with the other implements. I'm planning on taking the crown out of the driveway at some point, and then getting that back flat because we just had the driveway completely redone. So let's get on this and we'll go grab that blade. That was a lot easier than I thought it'd be. I thought I was going to have to mess with it a lot more. But it's out of the ground now. And I'm going to put it over with the other implements. Can we just take a moment and commend Ford on the tractor that they made back in 1956? I mean, this thing probably wasn't taken care of the best before my great grandpa bought it, but it still runs and works and drives, and it's a really good tractor, especially since I don't want to spend $20,000 to $40,000 on a new tractor right now. So I've decided that instead of procrastinating and probably not doing it, that I would start doing the driveway. I've already done a few passes. It looks a lot better. I'm going to set the camera up and show you how well it works. So that's pretty much the gist of what I'm doing right now. I'm just grading the driveway so that all the potholes are filled in and the crown's taken out. So I'm going to take 5 or 6 more passes down the driveway and see how it's going from there. The Ford's running great right now. Yeah. So I guess thanks everyone for taking the time and checking this out. Hopefully I'll have some more interesting videos coming up here soon. Yeah, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks.